Alright, let me hit you with a question. When was the last time you thought about inorganic chemistry? Be honest, it probably hasn't crossed your mind since that one class in high school, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Most people either think boring class or something to do with rocks. Maybe you picture dusty minerals or endless lists of elements. But trust me, inorganic chemistry is everywhere, and it's way more important than you think. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. Let's start with what it actually is. Inorganic chemistry is the study of materials that aren't carbon-based. It's the science of everything except the stuff that makes up living things. I'm talking metals, minerals, crystals, you name it. All the shiny, sturdy, and sometimes even weird materials that make up our world. While organic chemistry gets all the hype for being about life and biology, inorganic chemistry is the backbone, literally. It's the foundation for so much of the technology and infrastructure we depend on. Picture this. Every smartphone, laptop, or electric car, all powered by batteries, and those batteries are basically tiny inorganic chemistry labs. Without them, our modern world would grind to a halt. Lithium, cobalt, nickel, these are the elements of progress. They're the unsung heroes inside your devices, quietly making everything work. Without inorganic chemists, you wouldn't be able to text your friend or binge watch your favorite show. Imagine a world without instant communication or streaming. Pretty wild, right? Ever heard of solar panels? Those sleek futuristic rectangles are powered by silicon, an inorganic material carefully engineered to capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. That's science in action, right on your roof. That's right. If you care about green energy, you owe a thank you note to inorganic chemistry. It's at the heart of the clean energy revolution. And get this, the clean water you drink? Inorganic chemists work behind the scenes developing purification systems using metals and minerals to filter out toxins. They help make sure our water is safe and healthy. No fancy carbon chains needed, just good old-fashioned elements doing their thing. Sometimes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Plus, let's talk about medicine. MRI scanners, for example, use powerful magnets made from exotic inorganic materials. These machines save lives every day. The contrast agents doctors use to see inside your body? Yup, inorganic compounds again. They help doctors diagnose and treat illnesses more accurately. But here's my favorite part. Inorganic chemistry even makes the impossible possible. It's the driving force behind new materials and futuristic inventions. Think about super strong alloys that build planes and spacecraft. These materials withstand extreme conditions and make modern travel and exploration possible. Or catalysts that speed up chemical reactions, making manufacturing cleaner and faster. They help industries produce more with less waste. These aren't just random science experiments. They're real solutions to real problems. Inorganic chemistry is practical, powerful, and essential. So next time you hear inorganic chemistry, I want you to think innovation, technology, and sustainability. It's the science that keeps pushing us forward. It's not just a subject in school. It's the science that fuels our world, shapes our future, and solves the problems you care about. It's everywhere, making life better in ways you might never have imagined. Alright, curious minds, what's the coolest example of inorganic chemistry you can spot in your daily life? Drop it in the comments and let's keep this exploration going. Share your discoveries. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the most important stuff is hidden in plain sight. Stay curious.